Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to transfer MTN data from your data balance to another MTN line without any stress. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to head over to your dialer. The next thing you need to do is to dial star 3218 hash, then hit on send. Then click on here. Next thing you need to do is to enter number 6, and then hit on send. Then click on here again. Next thing you need to do right here is to enter 2, hit on send. Then click on here again. Next thing you need to do is to simply enter 1 and hit on send. The next thing you need to do is to click on here again, enter 1, hit on send. Next thing you need to do is to enter the recipient number. Mind you, you need to make sure you enter the correct recipient phone number so that the data will not be sent to a wrong MTN line. So once you enter the recipient phone number, hit on send. Select amount of data you want to transfer. Maximum daily transfer is 5 gig. Click on here, and this time around I'm sending 500 megabytes. So next thing I'm going to do is to enter 3. Once you enter the amount of data you want to transfer, hit on send. The next thing you need to do, please confirm you want to transfer 500 megabytes from your data bundle to this particular phone number. Click on here and enter 1. Mind you, you need to be sure that you have enough data that cover this particular request on your data balance right here. So click on here and enter 1, and then hit on send.